to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how plastic bottles are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Here, raw plastic is heated and precisely prepared to ensure strength, clarity, and durability.
System is stable.
All parameters nominal.
Every batch is carefully balanced for taste, safety, and quality. Every bottle is inspected before it leaves our facility.
And that's how bottled water is purified and packed from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.